Hey, are you a new YouTuber? You've been struggling on what to say in your videos? Well, not to worry, because I got your back. I'm sharing all my secrets on how I script my videos, and you won't want to miss it. So keep on watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, the one place for human empowerment in business. If you're new here, my name is Chera. So the other day, one of my Instagram followers messaged me asking, how do I script my videos? She's been struggling on how to put the words together in her videos. And it got me to thinking that there's probably more of you out there wondering the same thing. Not necessarily how I script my videos, but just how to script a video in general. So I thought, what better way would there be for me to explain this than to make a video? So that is why we are here today. I'm going to be breaking down my 6-step method on how I script my videos. Plus, I'm going to be sharing a bonus tip with you guys. So you want to make sure you stay through the entire video, watch the entire video so that you don't miss out. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. If you've been paying close attention, then you already know what the first 2 steps are. Step 1, the intro. This should be the most exciting part of your video. This is where you draw your audience in. This is where you hook them. And there are 2 ways that you can do this. 1, you can choose the most exciting clip of your video, or 2, you can film a separate clip introducing the video before the main intro and welcome. Step 2 is the welcome. Now this should be short and sweet and to the point. You want your viewer to know who you are, what your channel is about, and what your video is about. Nobody wants to sit through a long ass intro, and I made this mistake plenty of times for a very long time until I finally realized that I was just wasting time and that I needed to just get to the main point of the video. Now, step 3, the nitty-gritty. This is the good stuff. This is all of the good information that you're going to be sharing with your viewer. These are the 3 or 4 main points of your video that you want to share with your viewer that you want them to take away. Now, if you want to know more information on how to put a video together, you can watch this video here on how to grow your YouTube channel, steps on how to film your videos, and what every video should contain. Now, let's move on to step 4. This is where you're going to ask something of your viewers. Now, keep in mind that your viewers have very short attention spans. People have very short attention spans these days. And a lot of times they forget on what they need to do. So we are here to help remind them. So if you like today's video, leave a comment down below. Like it or dislike it, because whether it's a like or dislike, it still counts as engagement. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you're going to try out this method. If you're talking about products, if you're talking about music, you want to make sure that you leave everything down in your description box, which is going to be my next video. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss that video. You want to make sure that you leave everything down in the description box, even though most of the time they don't read, but it's okay. You still want to make sure you give as much information, because giving information is giving value to your audience. And that is what I call step 5, giving back to your audience. And now we're at our last step, which is step 6, which is asking your audience to do something that you need them to do. So in my case, I'm going to ask you guys to, if you're not following me on social media, go on over to Instagram at XOCocoChera. Check out my page. Let me know what you guys think about some of the things that I'm posting on there. Do you like that content? That way it gives me an idea if I should post more things like that, or if I need to change my technique. So I need you guys' help with that. Now, if you guys want to be featured in my next video, all you need to do is like this video, post it on your social media, post this on your Instagram. Don't forget to tag me so that I can see it, and that way I can give you guys a shout out in my next video. Now let's get to my bonus tip. This is what I want to share with you guys. Now, all of the tips that I mentioned in today's video are all great tips, but in all actuality, the biggest key in making a great video is just being yourself. You want your audience to be engaged, and the easiest way to do that is being your best very self. And people will be able to tell whether you're being inauthentic or if you're being fake, if you're being cheesy. People will be able to tell that, especially if there's people that know you that follow your channel. They're gonna absolutely know. So I always just try to be as true and authentic to myself. I don't try to be like anyone else. I don't try to copy anyone else, and I would give you guys that same information. We all have our favorite YouTubers, and the best way that we can honor them is to actually learn from them. Don't copy what they're doing. Don't copy them. Look and see little pieces of what they're doing and you know, try to incorporate it into your video. Oh, the lighting just changed. So sorry about that, but that is it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down, because engagement is engagement. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys took away from this video. I hope it was something good. And this is a community. If you guys have tips, or if there's something that you guys do to put your videos out there, or just if you have tips on how you script your videos, share it with everybody. You know, we can all help everybody. So I hope that you guys, again, like this video. I will see you guys in my next video, and that's it.